Hey, what's up? Check it out. So, I got this old glass beer bottle here. I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do to it. So, follow me and check this out. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna take 2 rolls of tape here and we're going to stick the bottle inside. Then I've got this bottle cutter here I picked up online from a guy. Gave me a pretty good deal on it. Just slides right over top of the bottle. First thing we're gonna do is we're just gonna we're gonna score a line around this. All right, so we got a bucket of water here, we got the bottle, got a propane torch. We're gonna heat it right up on the cut line and plunge it right into the liquid. Just like that. All right, then the next step is everybody's favorite, sanding. All right, so now that we got all that sanding done, now we're gonna throw something on the bottom of this. Check this out. All right, so now that that's cut, we got what we wanted on the bottom of it. Now let's put something on the side. Now that we have the words on the bottom that we want, we're gonna put something on the side. And what better for a recycled project than a tree? So, check this out. All right, so now that we got that on there, the next step to do is to clean the label off. Now what I've got here is some denatured alcohol. I don't know what else takes off adhesives, but I know this will do a pretty decent job of it. Then we're gonna cut the label off too in some spots. So we're just gonna wipe this on there and soak in for a sec. We'll take the little knife here and see how much of it we can peel off ourselves. All right, so now that that's all done, here is the tree we put on there. There's the made from recycled materials, and we have a beer bottle cup. And the last thing to do is take a drink. I'll tell you, thanks for watching.